This is 2020 Reflect, in which I wanted to show what I felt about 2020 and the year 2021 using the character Tupel from my game I Can Human. So, what I felt about 2020 was that even though lots of rubbish things must have happened, we need to still look at some of the good stuff that happened, which might get lost in the whole picture. And in 2021 I wanted to build upon the idea that whatever cool things are there, we can build upon it further, look more into it. I was also thinking of using this as an excuse to do some subtle animation, though I of course didn't get to that, because while making the beat board, I was thinking of how to show the smoke sort of thing as a very cool, beautiful thing, but that didn't really come across as much, I guess, because I started getting more and more fascinated by the fire and effects, because that was also one thing I was struggling recently while making assets for the game, how to make effects animation work properly. So I thought I'll focus on that also. And I started putting lots of fire and stuff around, and to figure what sort of thing would be found amongst the ruins of 2020. Earlier I was thinking of plant, but that didn't make sense because out of fire plant coming out is a bit weird. Then I thought some nuts and bolts. Then I thought on floppy disk for save, but it's not about really saving. Then a spanner came across, which felt cool, that it is something to build more stuff upon. Actually, in the game also I might use the spanner as a motif now that this has happened. So that's one good thing about making all these test animations, that something for the game also might come out of it. And while making the storyboard, I was trying to see how from one shot to the next it can move across, and how to tell the whole story within the least number of shots as possible. So that worked out, and I started animating, and while animating I was still thinking I'll do some subtle stuff, but I got too happy with the motion and all, and I started going a bit less subtle, though in the 2021 section I did still manage to maintain a little bit of that. Maybe in the next test that I do, I'll try leaning more towards that maybe. And for the fire and smoke animations, I was actually quite happy how it was turning out. I learned a lot using this, and some parts I was particularly quite fond of, like when the fire parts were for the character to go through, or the fire moves according to where the log is moving. So that was nice. And also some tiny details like the spanner opening when it actually hits the bottom. And once the animation was done, I didn't want to really fully color it, so I was trying to see what ways I could get away without coloring it entirely. And that's when in Krita there are lots of adjustment layers, filters and stuff which we can use to create cool effects. So I started layering them up one over the other till I got to somehow whatever I wanted. And then for a final round of color correction and curve correction and all, I had to take it to Blender because I found their tools a bit more convenient. But eventually, though, once I am comfortable enough with colors, maybe I could even skip that step. But that's how this one came across. I might make more videos taking through the process of stuff in the future. Hopefully this has helped somebody. Thank you. Bye.